Do you actually know what the cuticle is on your nail? Let me show you. So I'm taking this metal cuticle pusher and gently pushing back my proximal nail fold. So the cuticle is the dead skin that grows on the nail plate. You can see as I scrape at the bottom of my nail, this whitish part that is coming up, that is the cuticle. It's actually dead skin that starts growing on your nail plate. And you don't want to put polish on top of this skin, because if you put polish on top of any type of skin, it's going to cause lifting of your nail product. So, since I'm about to apply some builder gel, I need to remove this cuticle off my nail plate. So I do that by gently pushing back the proximal nail fold and scraping this dead skin, which is also called the cuticle, off my nail plate. I'm doing this very gently. You don't have to be roughed, just really gentle. I'm starting to scrape this cuticle off each one of my nails. You don't have to use a cuticle nipper. You don't need to cut your live skin. You just gently scrape it off. And now I'm taking a 180 grit nail file and just lightly filing or buffing the rest of that cuticle off my nail. Some people, if you're comfortable using an e-file, you can just go ahead and use like a cuticle bit and just remove the cuticle off the nail using an e-file. But if you're not comfortable with the e-file or don't know how to use one, you can just use a regular nail file. This is a very easy process and simple to do. Next, I'm taking this kind of rough nail buffer and lightly going over my nails. This is just going to create some texture so the gel polish can grip onto my natural nail. The gel polish needs something to grip to. It doesn't grip to smooth nails, so this is a necessary step. Next, I'm taking a nail brush and brushing off the filing dust off my nails. I have applied 90% alcohol to remove the dust, and now I'm taking a lint-free nail wipe and just wiping in that cuticle area, just making sure I remove all dead skin, all dust, any loose particles on the nail. Now I can get started with my builder gel. Okay, so this is not going to be a tutorial because I do already have a builder gel tutorial on my page that I did a few weeks ago. I'll be sure to tag it in the cards in case you want a more in-depth tutorial. Y'all, I took a Nail Thoughts certification course in December with Paola Ponce Nails. She's here on YouTube, but she does this course using Nail Thoughts base, all Nail Thoughts products. And I've been using Nail Thoughts products since she came out with them like 5 years ago or something like that. But I never knew the proper way to use it, and I decided to invest in an education course to actually learn how to use these products that I've had for years. So I was actually like officially trained on how to use builder gel by a licensed nail tech. So that was really exciting. And I'm definitely going to retake the course when she offers it again. She has like this amazing discount for when you've already taken the course. I think she charges like $1 to retake it from like now on. So I'm definitely going to re-enroll when she does the course again so I can see how I improved. I got to do a whole nail portfolio and everything. So it was pretty cool, really exciting to be able to take that course and actually be properly trained, since of course y'all know I'm not a licensed nail tech, but I do like to dibble and dabble in all different types of nail products. Gel, builder gel, poly gel. I've done acrylic a couple times, but I don't like the smell. But I like to know everything there is to know about nails. So I'm really excited that I invested in myself and took that education course. So If you're interested in that course, um, I highly recommend it. I think it was really good. It was fully online, so you could take it. You could, watch the videos and re-watch them for up to 30 days. So I'm definitely doing a lot of builder gel videos because, I'm just continuing to practice. I typically just do nails on myself. I'm sure my friends would love for me to experiment on them, but I feel like I need to have like a certain level of knowledge and application skills before I can branch out and apply gel on other people. I just want to make sure I'm doing it properly. So I use myself as like the test dummy, if you will. But it was a cool process. I'm still kind of learning like the application technique, floating it down the nail, and there's different methods to apply builder gel and like figuring out the correct placement of the apex and all that stuff. So I'm definitely still working on that. I did notice my nails last longer with builder gel when they're actually long like they are now. When I have more of like a free edge, they last the best. I do have some issues with the lifting when I apply builder gel to shorter nails. Like when my nails are shorter, I do get lifting on my nails probably around, I would say around day 12. I usually get lifting at the free edge, so I'm still trying to troubleshoot that. So I haven't mastered short nails yet with builder gel, but they still last a good amount of time. It's just like towards that 10, 11, 12 day mark, I start getting, a little bit of lifting at the free edge where, stuff starts to kind of get under my nails. And then I'm like, okay, I need to take these off because that's not good. I definitely learned how important it really is to get that first slip layer or wet layer. Like, it's pretty thin, but you don't want it to be too thin. But when you're working on the slip layer, like, you really need to get as close into like the lateral folds and the cuticle area as close as you can without getting on your skin. Because you see on this ring finger, like, I got a little gel on my skin. It's because I was too close to the skin. So you want to be close, but not too close to where, like, when you're doing your bead, that the bead just rolls off onto your skin. But I need to remove this because it will cause lifting, and you don't want to get gel on your skin in general. So I'm just removing it with a dry brush and then a brush with a little bit of alcohol on it. Okay, so this part of the nail video is actually a tutorial. I'm going to do some Valentine's Day nails. So I decided to do rose quartz nails because I haven't done them like a full manicure of rose quartz nails like in a really long time. So when I do rose quartz, I like to start off with this, they're like rainbow flakes or mermaid flakes that I got from Daily Charm. I'll try to tag everything I used in the description box below. But I like to have that in the background because it creates like this beautiful like flecked like glass look. Oh, I forgot to mention I did apply one coat of rose quartz, which is a Nail Thoughts color. It's just specifically for rose quartz. It's just like a light, pink. So I applied that on top of my builder gel, which is Baby Cakes by Nail Thoughts. Now I'm taking Nail Thoughts spritzer and just dabbing it randomly on the nails. I try to like do zigzags and like make each nail look a little bit different. And then I take my little brush and just smush it out. You don't want the lines to be too harsh. You just want a little bit of color. So after I kind of pat the nail, I will take a little bit of 70% alcohol and just like spread it out a little bit more to make it a little bit more sheer and not so harsh compared to the light rose quartz colored pink. This is also a lesson we kind of learned in the Nail Thoughts course. I have done rose quartz nails in the past. The last time I did them, I used nail inks, and I actually like the look of nail inks better because I feel like they're easier to blend, they're easier to add and layer and stuff like that. So I really like rose quartz look a little bit better by using just inks, nail inks, instead of using gel polish, but this works as well. So the next step is just to create lines. You just take any white gel polish and a nail liner brush and create white lines on the nail, and then again you're going to just kind of spread the white out. Oh, I forgot to mention that I cured after I did the layer of spritzer, which is like the more vibrant pink. I cured my nails in the lamp for 30 seconds before applying this white nail polish, because if you don't cure, it's going to mess up that background. So I applied the layer of rose quartz nails on top of the builder gel, cured the nail polish. Then I applied spritzer, which is that darker pink. Once I was happy with that, I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm taking a white and kind of spreading the white out with a nail brush. And then once I'm happy with the look of that, I will cure again for 30 seconds in the nail lamp. Okay, so now at this point, I'm going to be taking 90% alcohol in a lint-free nail wipe and just removing the inhibition layer that is on top of my nails. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to be shaping my nails. I'm going to be filing my nails. I learned that filing your nails after you apply your builder gel and your gel polish or your color or whatever, just the best way to protect your nails, and it just kind of gives you that extra sharp look. So after I file my nails, I'm going to remove the excess dust, and then I'm going to go in with my Nail Thoughts top coat. This top coat is a wipe top coat, so you're going to have to wipe it after you cure with alcohol to remove the sticky layer. It's a very thick top coat. Not my favorite. The viscosity is just super thick. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm just removing that inhibition layer on top of the top coat because it is a white top coat. But yeah, it's super easy nail design. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day if you want something that is subtle but also beautiful. So let me know what you think of this nail design. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos from me. See you in the next one. Bye.